Please subscribe, like, and share.
Mamo akwaba eba otiti so ebiem aye frame kwesi bi se dem na munum de dara we dey wo am subscribe ye bia me ka se wo am subscribe na belu so dem na subscribe na like na share na bia ekoso ewo otiti bi so bia no ne family na hune ekoso o yese amanse na na ye ba ha ni di petitru pa na ye de brem any the packetwa cry on my gun. It may fa may say one brain, but the back court may be sent the pan, may be sent on the Intia in the day they were Madam was. Open the say, but you're frozen.
We didn't Dr. Yirenkyi. The kind of meda with TV for in us, but afraid you crew a mobile highway, some maybe interview, and you tiff in as a New Year's ceremony. So I became a Dr. Yirenkyi, be a urologist, senior urologist, for Urologist Regional Hospital. Na Jumadia Midino, as I became a specialist, and I say in medicine, we share a kidney, and I say yes, sir, and the name of Fahuna, especially Bema, the Roma, and a mass of the biometrics of an. Now, I can put a castle there, they say. Will be a kidney, ureters, about bladder, and our prostrate, urethra, but be a Josephano, Bayman,
okay, so be sure to say prostrate, and prostrate.
Oh, prostrate, a part of the urogenital system, and I'll say, you so be a Josephano, prostrate no honor. Na prostrate, I did be a Mema Hukwano, a mild prostrate. The next say, a adibia a perform, and now say a play important roles, and now say, one should be a nipple jam. And they say, boy, where you Mema would you, and now be a Jones of family, so one of prostrates me. Beside me, may now functions in a prostrate.
Maybe I say, yeah, be man, say that was no obadi or only prostrate in me.
There be my prostrate maybe, me man and my prostrate.
I didn't tell.
And we say, and no, it produces in Subia a man made my yet ye developed. And they say, it will Subi will be my more friend say testosterone and a male hormone. Says I male hormone will sure when I day it produce. If you are say about prostate to me, now prostate also they hormones become, and I say, will become. At my eye active. This approach is a say to me, a yakesi. And then sometimes a yakesi P. Now say, but be out Jones of Fano. I block one man, I say, to me, my new son, one is one prostrate area. So, and I hear prostate and one, the kissing one, it affected. I tell you, so I could crowd. Do you talk, sir, prostrate?
A cancer.
A cancer. That is why prostate cancer.
Now, the question is, there's no way about with my head.
Maybe a mind prostrate.
Okay.
Be my prostrate.
Now, we have been man, age break, and now I was a checky, and I say, oh, my, I bet about 2 perfume.
The ain't been 2 perfume. And they say, mate me actually prostate to my crap. Omo prostrate, a kitty minimum, and say be a brother. Kitty. They say, oh, you know, we probate age, not double in size. Night say be a not. So, we say, we do as 18 to 22 years. Now, if I enlarge, now I see a crime. So, after 34 years of age, it is a prostate, as I enlarge. They say, Senate, so I have I say, oh, be after 32, 34 years, I can now suppose is still a yakesi, it's a Dutch, you know, you have a yakesi, I how, Johnson, Senator Johnson. So, ain't your father say your risk factors, my baby, so you'll be our position, will be a yes, a prostrate, Yare Bida. Say, be especially Papa and our brother and our immediate uncle. Yes, I they say, we highly risky, where they, yes, I by the age of 40 years, they all started checking prostrate and now he's saying it. So, my will be so or which may be a near and as we say low risk. And the best by 45 years of age, is at least we check one day. Now, we are never say high risk, say factors to be all smoke, and we are where they and all on sapi.
Now, what checking out who in Taiwan, solutions do why with me. I want and quiet serious of the operation.
You nothing said. All check here is simple. Some American we has send a check. Check Miss Waka doctor. Dear nurse doctor urologist. Or the dear fast prostrate. Or we feel prostrate. It's a special gloves. Some not the lubricants. Could be on some or the feel.
Yes, so we a bema on time and fama with me not yelling.
Oh, and this prostrate assembly any malfa anyway in Jacobia. Nothing say prostrate the hormonal disease as well. To be a way in the case. In any way, almost 5 man 10 p. The bit man say go STDs and infection. Doing infection all the time, infections frequently. So yeah, especially amputated sex, more high risk of getting infection. And the bit now affect your prostate and more infection. And when you say prostatitis. And your prostatitis also die. And the bit now how say they are that chibi. I can work with the
prostate. Prostate me a area a bar it me cure cry.
You especially say basal prostate cancer. A prostate cancer is curable, and I say it means someone provided say you be who you are in term. See who you are in term, that's me if you hold dear, it's only cured. So, but the one who you are in term, why you show nothing when you are not thread spread the whole body good dear, and they won't be cured. Now, balance say enlargement also. Enlargement is fine. You say prostate enlarge in term. Draw what my with me amount. I with me and say, it will slow down the rate at which I become enlarged. And as I can see, with my shrink a crab, I'm not to my juice. See, who in them there, with me and the young who in them there,
I say, no, sir, I did only Panama. I turn of what independent to one and one day, Oceane, 20 minutes so, no food. I say, I had the name with me so. The people who immediately know my yard. Bit money on our back and so doctor. And
some will be a basso to me so. Who's and so you home? I'll be symptoms. So I can enter obey symptoms. They are able to teach me your answer maybe be not cost where your mom symptoms in the face. And suddenly to me, everybody 70 million so symptoms be how be money. And this is a process 3 years here. Both is say you so intended. Same kind, you so once and not twice in the day. We say ancient, you so frequently. Say be 1 and now 2, 3 hours be a night in your sorting. You so which answer you so. And you so Emma was a so chinkakra and son and you so Baba. A terrible club, I you so cry and you so I see, I stop. There's also a chin view. And I tell you, Grandpa, almost will be a face now, you so fine. I choke you so. When you saw a man with pressure, and then I know yet, so I say a banner so, and I say so problem empty me calling a good now, Grandpa, and no sinner himself who say, we are prosecuting. I tell you, so my news on that come up, I won't mention Peter Newson. Mr. I used to lay, preoccupy I used to lay back, but I was so. And now, Nipa. Prostate also yes, we are prone to urinary tract infection. And I say, I'm infection. You see, baby out, so not be home yet. Be my emotion. So, it's anime started. One pay one drew, one hospital. I mean, I'm sure Mamma. Actually, we won't say, so I need 90 member. No, I ask a day, a kiss. That proper one here. Sorry, no, because you say you so do. I see you here, or Chima, you so in Macra.
And gonorrhea bit my cause a prostate cancer.
mean can say gonorrhea per se because of prostate cancer. But gonorrhea be put mama is so be and now say consequence be with me cancer be. And yet gonorrhea na cause because gonorrhea na year one treating now say a jab be a friend say you need say scar will be my new year. And more we say stricture infection na e prostrate so na fe achi wan hwa and also so that's a risk factor near higher with my prostate cancer.
Futu be the ma eye emema ninga na fufu ni na.
Oh, futu abrema on say be ma bia say wo nyinya we be 40 years and above because na me kan you and say we then we start to say we go doctor no go check it prostate yearly check of what PSA. Yearly visit to the doctor to check to do a digital rectal examination. Yearly check to do scan to see your prostate. Very, very important as well. Now, when you are on check, so I'm on so we go visit urologist. Check here now. Say, oh, now say, sir. Name a P, I didn't say, doctor, I'm the rubber bed on baby mom. And then also, and this also. And here are prostate Arabia and the rubber show. The rubber shape in Nipa, Sebi, own to be so.
And any catheter.
The catheter shape in Nipa, own to be so. So, unless I'm about to be extreme and say, I say, rubber, own to be so. And then rubber be show. The rubber show, I remember I'm a new so in out. It's a new so that tower, see one. And yesterday, I was a problem. They say, the achievement was over a kidney failure. Yes, I knew. Now, bouncing around balance, we had the foul beam on the air consular. They made 52 crooked way where I say, I see a rubber show, saying I'm so in
Now, I don't know what sort of balance I know. Only when we read the only way I go.
Oh, there be interest. Be my P, you hold my show rubber, so no in between a share. You say, depend upon where I will put rubber. So, and they didn't say, we saw them in this year. I said, why would you with me rubber running this year? We are, that's how that should be.
And I said, I'm the 7 this year. The hospital, my query rubber. Now, meaning this year, now they say, my son couldn't make it.
So we'll be still of us all in English year, dear. Young for rubber and show women. Yen Beshe, why I say, send out more be money free. I want to buy now.
This is a your prostrate now. Ain't been put it in to main cap be my.
Oh, there be. Nothing to say. Once Yaren holiday, and more be man say, I'm more deals with it. So, anything they say, we will make sure say, when your infection be our be money, and our cancer, and as in P.S. and be over. Now, the back of me can say, I tell you, a member P, the reason children for some hospital say, I almost will say, the young operation we are on the way to share. You will be cancer, very young. So, over hospital, near your operation, you prosecute you are. The same way out, we may not have more doing, send it, and son, they do with operation, suffer with it. Be man, ain't losing the power, ain't losing the PR. Send it with me, sir.
Make say, ma, obey my beard in the say, or call for such treatment. A bit how obey my beard.
There be call for such treatment now, and how obey my
and then you why it did ma a boy prostrate yenana sister nana.
You when you are in there, would the balanced diet on your side? Balanced diet, they say, adrenal obesity, fats, a crowd, carbohydrate, a crowd, protein, a crowd, vitamins, and an BBR. Now, say, be all your beer, open fatty food, you say beer. Numb, they can and the angel group.
Okay, doctor say, we should show up. What about specialist? We should show up. I'm ready.
Oh, we should me. Normally, you I could free and me Monday to Friday, you could free but weekends, you are crap or healthy data for me. I will at the station.
Go for the phone.
Free the Eastern Regional Hospital. Okay, free the essential.
Okay. As a one hour, you want to do human being. that's before san doctor Frank Reji kano o say o hwehwe na obakofodia government hospital o how bia eda wo so no amane bia eda wo so e fa prostrate no o de bedana o behwe kama na mbe ma so maye emma ye kumantu say onya prostrate na say hu sunsuaso bi sa na e ka operation na obema wo yema hyehyɛ because we are say we no obia ne sena ne system yeden etefa nti what be this men no and how crowd to twanamon na bra doctor show the bibia so a enkoyi e wo prostrate one and I say o health no amon hwe no maye bibia kama madam say the friend
Please subscribe, like, and share.